While George Washington led the army, Martha stood beside the cause, visiting the camps, lifting spirits, and becoming his constant strength and encouragement. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Martha Washington was born in 1731 into Virginia's planter class, well-educated, socially skilled, and prepared to manage wealth and people. Widowed young, Martha married George Washington in 1759, bringing land, enslaved labor, and financial stability to the partnership. At Mount Vernon, Martha managed a vast household, overseeing finances, supplies, enslaved workers, and the Washington family's daily life. When war began, Martha refused to stay behind, traveling each winter to join George at army camps. At places like Valley Forge, Martha nursed soldiers, organized supplies, hosted officers, and boosted morale during the Army's darkest hours. Her presence steadied Washington, offering emotional strength, political insight, and a reminder of home when the burden of command weighed heavily. As the nation's First Lady, Martha shaped early American social customs, hosting, advising, and setting expectations for public leadership. The remarkable Martha Washington didn't fight battles, but she helped hold the revolution together, one camp, one conversation, one sacrifice at a time.